Ever thought fruit juice is a healthy alternative to soda? You might want to reconsider. Let's embark on a journey to debunk some of the biggest misconceptions about fruit juice, a beverage often perceived as a healthier choice. Many of us have grown up with the belief that a glass of fruit juice in the morning is just the ticket to start the day off right. After all, it's fruit, right? But as we peel back the layers of this belief, we'll find that the truth is far from what we've been told. Picture this. You're at the supermarket and you reach out for a carton of fruit juice, convinced that you're making a healthy choice. The packaging is adorned with pictures of fresh fruits, and the words natural and no added sugar catch your eye. You think to yourself, this must be good for me. But here's the catch. Did you know that fruit juice can contain as much sugar as soda? Or that it lacks the fiber that makes whole fruit so beneficial? And what about the fact that it can contribute to tooth decay? These are just a few of the hard truths we're about to uncover. Our aim isn't to demonize fruit juice, but rather to shed light on the facts that are often overlooked. We want to empower you with knowledge so you can make informed decisions about what you consume. As we dive deeper into this topic, we'll explore the sugar content of fruit juice, its lack of dietary fiber, and its contribution to your daily calorie intake. We'll also unravel the vitamin deception that often accompanies fruit juice marketing and highlight the impact it can have on your dental health. So, buckle up and get ready to see fruit juice in a whole new light. No more falling for deceptive marketing tricks or relying on outdated beliefs. This journey is all about equipping you with the truth. Now, let's unpeel the truth about fruit juice. First up, sugar. Yes, the sweet, addictive substance we all know too well. It's the hidden culprit lurking in our seemingly healthy fruit juices. You might be thinking, but it's fruit juice, it's healthy, right? Let's clear that up. While fruit juice does come from fruits, the process of juicing often strips away the fiber and leaves behind a concentrated source of sugar. This is why some fruit juices can contain as much sugar as a soda. Consuming too much sugar, whether it's from soda or fruit juice, can lead to a multitude of health issues. Obesity, diabetes, heart disease, these are just a few of the potential consequences of a high-sugar diet. And guess what? That innocent-looking glass of juice contributes to that sugar intake more than you might think. So next time you reach for that juice box, remember, it's a sugary drink in disguise. Now let's talk about fiber, the digestive system's best friend. You see, when you munch on a juicy apple or a handful of berries, you're not just getting a sweet treat. You're also getting a good dose of dietary fiber. This fiber plays a vital role in your health, helping to keep your digestive system running smoothly, and it can even make you feel fuller, longer. But here's the catch. When you juice these fruits, most of that beneficial fiber gets left behind. The juicing process essentially strips fruits of their fiber content, leaving you with a liquid that's packed with sugar but lacking in substance. Without fiber to slow down your body's absorption of sugar, you might find yourself feeling hungry again sooner than you'd like. And there's more. Fiber isn't just good for your digestion. It can also help control your blood sugar, lower cholesterol levels, and even aid in weight loss. So when you choose juice over whole fruit, you're missing out on these benefits. The takeaway? Juice doesn't satisfy hunger like whole fruits do. Ever thought about how many calories are in your favorite fruit juice? It might surprise you to know that fruit juices can be deceptively high in calories. For example, a single cup of orange juice can contain over 100 calories. That's around the same amount as a chocolate chip cookie. Now, imagine drinking 2 or 3 cups of juice a day. The calorie count gets astronomical quickly, and these are calories without the benefits of fiber to help you feel full. This can easily contribute to weight gain, especially if you're not burning off those calories with exercise. To put it into perspective, a single pound of weight gain is equal to 3,500 extra calories. So if you're drinking several cups of juice a day, you could be adding thousands of extra calories to your diet each week. Who knew that innocent-looking juice could pack such a caloric punch? Yes, fruit juice has vitamins, but is it the best source? There's a common perception that fruit juice is packed with vitamins, and while that's not entirely false, there's more to the story. When we compare the vitamin content in fruit juice to that in whole fruits, we see a significant difference. Whole fruits usually contain more vitamins, and these are complemented by other nutrients and fiber, making them a healthier choice. The process of juicing itself can cause a loss of some vitamins. Vitamins are delicate, and they can break down when exposed to air, heat, and light, all of which are involved in the juicing process. So, if you're looking to juice for your vitamin C, for instance, you might be better off eating an orange instead. Closing. So, don't rely on juice for your daily vitamin intake. Make sure your diet is varied and includes whole fruits and vegetables, because when it comes to nutrition, there's no magic bullet. Ever thought about what fruit juice does to your teeth? Let's delve into this. Many of us associate fruit juice with health and vitality, but when it comes to our dental health, it might not be the hero we think it is. Why, you ask? Well, fruit juice is loaded with sugars. These sugars feed the harmful bacteria in our mouths, leading to acid production. This acid is what attacks our tooth enamel, causing decay over time. What's worse, many fruit juices are also acidic, adding to this enamel erosion. Frequent consumption of fruit juice, especially between meals or before bed, can accelerate this process, leading to cavities and other dental problems. Even seemingly harmless sips can bathe our teeth in sugar and acid, making them vulnerable to decay. So the next time you reach for that glass of fruit juice, think about your teeth. Remember, a healthy smile is a sugar-free smile. So, is fruit juice really as healthy as you thought? Let's take a moment to reflect on the points we've covered so far in our journey to uncover the truth about fruit juice. Our voyage through the land of liquid fruits has revealed several surprising facts that may have shifted your perspective. Remember when we talked about the sugar overload? Yes, the sweetness of fruit juice can be deceiving. It's easy to forget that these drinks often contain an amount of sugar comparable to sodas and candy. This high sugar content can lead to weight gain and other health issues, making fruit juice not as wholesome as it seems. And what about the missing fiber? When you juice a fruit, you lose most of the fiber, which is a crucial component of a healthy diet. Fiber aids in digestion, helps control hunger, and can even lower the risk of certain diseases. Sadly, when you sip on your favorite fruit juice, you're missing out on these benefits. We also dived into the calorie count. Despite being derived from fruits, these juices can be high in calories. It's an easy way to consume more calories than you realize, which can contribute to weight gain over time. The vitamin deception was another eye-opener. While fruit juices do contain some vitamins, the juicing process can diminish their amounts. Plus, the added sugars can undermine these nutritional benefits. And let's not forget the potential for tooth decay. The high sugar content and acidity of fruit juices can lead to tooth enamel erosion, cavities, and other dental problems. So, after uncovering these hidden truths about fruit juice, it's clear that it's not the health elixir we once thought. It's high in sugar, low in fiber, calorie-dense, and can contribute to tooth decay. So, next time you're thirsty, why not reach for a glass of water or a whole piece of fruit instead? After all, moderation is key, and there's no substitute for a balanced, healthy diet. We hope this video has given you some food, or rather drink, for thought. It's crucial to reconsider our choices, especially those that affect our health. Just because something is marketed as healthy or natural doesn't mean it's always the best choice. Fruit juice, while seemingly innocent, can indeed have negative impacts on your health, from sugar overload to missing fiber, calorie count, vitamin deception, and tooth decay. That's why it's essential to be informed and make healthier decisions. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to choose what's genuinely good for you. If you found this video enlightening and want to stay updated with more myth-busting content, don't forget to hit that like button. Your comments are welcome too. It helps us understand your views and refine our content accordingly. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more myth-busting videos, and remember, your health is in your hands.